Oh wow, look at all these Sonic toys. They look so cool. Oh, hi Benny and Billy. How are you?
We're good, but I see something amazing. I see something really good. Look, Sonic toys. Billy, take a look. Turn around quick. Ooh, Sonic toys. Where did they come from? I don't know, but they look amazing. I want to open them. Well, come on then. Let's stop staring at them. Let's go and open them. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, come on then. Let's start with the Sonic figure. He looks amazing. There's more. Where did they come from? You can move his head, look. Oh, writing, yeah, we won't read that. There's Sonic, Super Shadow, Tails and Knuckles. Wow, come on, let's get in. Let's get in it. Oh, here he comes. Okay, right, push. Come, push him out. Push! Come on, Sonic. Push! Come on. He's stuck. Oh no. Come on. Ah! Oh no. What's happened to his feet? Where's Sonic's feet? Ah! Quick, get them out. 1 foot. And 2 foot. That's right. That's good, that's better. And oh, look, a spring. Right, come on. Sonic, you need feet. Let's put them on. That's better. Look at his arms move. This is a cool toy. I like this one a lot. Go, Sonic. Go. You look amazing. Nah, don't do that. Okay, try the spring. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Ooh, it's a playset. 10 pieces, Sonic the Hedgehog. Come on. Enough of the box. Let me get in. It looks like it's from the Green Hill Zone level. Look at all the characters you can get. Dr. Eggman as well. Tails, Knuckles. Come on, get in. I want to see. That's better. Oh, look, we got a Sonic. Hope he doesn't lose his feet. He's okay. Ooh, rings. He's got little holes in the bottom of his feet. They look like he's going to go on the set. I wonder where he's going to stand. Anything else? What we got? Ooh, what's this? It looks like it's part of the set. Come on, let's get it out. Another spring! A yellow one this time. Boing. Wow, look at that. I reckon Sonic's going to run round there. That looks so good. Ah, look, that's where the rings go. Amazing. They look so good. Sonic has to collect all the rings. Instructions. Another bag. Come on, here we go. Right, how do we put this together? So we get the green bits, and then we clip them together. Okay, we're done with that. Come on, let's do it. Click. Yes. Oh, it's starting to look good now. Pop that on. Amazing. Last bit now. Click. And the spring. We're done. Come on, Sonic, have a go. That's it. Use the little holes. You can stand there. Wow, it looks good, doesn't it? I want to go in the ring. Go on the big loop-de-loop. Come on, Sonic. That's it, in there. Whoa, whoa! Wow, look at him. Just balancing in midair. Whoa! Wow, that was fun, wasn't it? I love that. Can we play with them? Ah, Sonic, where did you come from?
I don't know. Just appeared here out of a box and someone took my feet off.
Yeah, that might have been us. Sorry about that, Sonic.
Oh, it's okay. I'm out now. I'm gonna go and save the world from Eggman. He's been up to no good, don't you know?
Eggman? Is he round here?
Yes. I best go and save the world anyway. See you later, guys.
Yeah, I think we're going to go and hide now. Cheers, Sonic. Bye.